For those of you who don't know me, I have been member of the parish since 2008. But while I'm still in the Philippines, some of you might not even be born by the time, but we were together. Father John Moses, the first priest, used to help me online. I became Orthodox 2008. I don't know about Orthodoxy. And there is a great friend, Father John, of blessed memory, who used to help me sometimes on my free time. And my free time means afternoons in the Philippines. And afternoon in the Philippines means very early morning here. 2 o'clock in the Philippines means 2 o'clock very early morning here. So those were the times that Father John Moses has been helping me, journeying with me without any complaint. Like, please, I also need to sleep. That's why I really would like to meet him personally to thank him for the many things that he has blessed us. Just like the Samaritan woman who preached to the people, to her people, Father John Moses became the Samaritan to me because of his prayers and great example as a priest. We were able to build our mission in the Philippines, and by his prayers and your prayers, we were able to survive many challenges. That's why I made it sure before I return to the Philippines, I will pass by this parish again. Not to say goodbye, but to express gratitude. Goodbyes are for those who are dying. I'm far from that. But it's more gratitude.